Students, you learned about how to understand taxonomy. Means identification and classification of organisms. Now, to understand more suitably, we need some materials, or you may call taxonomical aids. So these are nothing but techniques or procedures or stored informations that give us information about that particular species of a plant or animal. So these taxonomical aids are the supportive materials which make us easy to understand these classification as well as identifications. So guys, we are going to learn these taxonomical aids in this session. You understood how to define taxonomical aids? Nothing but the techniques, procedures and stored information that are useful in identification and classification of organisms are called taxonomical aids. See, we use the terms like techniques, procedures and stored informations. So these are applicable to how to maintain taxonomical aids. So these aids exactly involve specimens of plant or animals or species, exact species. Real one we are going to use for the learning purpose, and we can also collect actual specimens, and which is very important for the quick reference as well as a study purpose. These taxonomical studies are essential for training in systematics and used for classification of an organism, and the information gathered is also stored along with the specimens. In some cases, the specimen is preserved for future studies. In this slide, you can understand which are the important taxonomic aids. Biologists established certain procedures and techniques to store and preserve the information as well as specimens. Some of these are explained to help you understand the usage of these aids. In them, you can list some of them like herbarium, botanical gardens, zoological parks, museum and key, or you may call taxonomic key. Along with these things, we also involve flora, manuals, monographs and catalogs. These also give us information about identification and classification of organisms, and these are called as recording descriptions. So let us start with one by one these taxonomical aids. See students, in this slide you are going to see one dried specimen of plant, and below that you can see the description. In this label you can see description about the plant. So from which place it is collected, when it is collected, collector's name, its botanical name, local name. Okay, all these things are included in that label. Now it is one of the taxonomical aid which give us information about the specific specimen of plant. Now actual plant is here dried, actual plant is pressed, preserved and mounted on the drawing sheet along with its description. When you see this slide, you can understand it is a herbarium, means small plants. Herb is used for the preservation purpose. Now these taxonomic aid, means herbarium, give us actual specimen for the study purpose. We can understand quickly how the leaf arrangement, shape of the leaf, stem shape. Likewise, you can understand so many important actual features of the herb. So how to understand this one? Herbarium means what it is exactly? It is nothing but a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets. These sheets are arranged according to a universally accepted system of classification. That one you remember please, how to arrange these things. After preparing herbarium, how to arrange? According to universally accepted system of classification. These specimens along with their descriptions on herbarium sheets become a storehouse or a repository for future use. You can use it for future anytime, whenever required you can use it as a source. The herbarium sheets also carry a label providing information about a date and place of collection, English, local and botanical names, family, collector's name, etc. So herbaria serve as a quick referral system in taxonomical studies. And also you can mention our country's biggest herbarium is at the Indian Botanic Garden, Calcutta. Means it contains million plant specimens. That storage is that much, okay, that much huge. You understand guys? So herbarium is one of the important taxonomic aid which give us a quick referral system for any plant specimens. Look at this picture. You can see pleasant, beautiful botanical gardens. They are the enormous, attractive features of the earth. But here you can understand one thing. So these are artificially prepared, not natural. And nothing but they are the collections of living plants for reference. Remember, they are the collections of living plants for reference. If you enter any botanical garden, you can see so many variety of plants. So it indicates as what? Outdoor laboratories which give us lot of informations about the plant species. You can collect any plant species of the any corner of the world. So here botanical gardens, one more important taxonomical aid which provide conservation as well as endangered plant species, rare species can be protected. Then how to define botanical gardens? They are specialized gardens, have collections of living plants for reference. Plant species in these gardens are grown for identification purposes, and each plant is labeled indicating its botanical or scientific name and its family. The famous botanical garden of our country, okay, largest one, okay, I mentioned here, there is Acharya Jagadisha Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden, okay, is present in our country, is the largest one, okay, which contains enormous amount of plants like orchids, bamboos, palms, and the great banyan tree. It is one of the important collection of this botanical garden, which is present in Paschim Bengal. Now here we got one more thing. The famous botanical gardens are present also in the world, like Kew in England. Some more our countries like Howrah Indian Botanical Garden, next National Botanical Research Institute at Lucknow. Likewise, you've seen some more important gardens of our country.